All right, so here we have a pre-cut kit for the Tesla Model Y. First thing, before you even start tinting, you want to trick the door. So get a flathead or anything in the door jamb right here. Click it as if it was locked. So you get the full window. Once you've got that, you want to lay your film, work out all the top. And you want to bunch the material towards the middle. So here we have a few fingers. So we're gonna go ahead and shrink the material. See? So once your material is fit to the glass, you have no visible fingers at the bottom. Go ahead and just lift the material up, let it relax. Now you're gonna go on the inside of your glass, mist it with water. With the hard card, you wanna get behind the seal and flush all of that out. And you're gonna take a towel, wrap it around your index finger and just wipe off that whole top edge all the way around towards the bottom. Wipe off your panel. Then you want to grab a 1-inch razor blade at an angle. You want to just run it across the glass. Get rid of any contaminants on the glass that you can get off with a sponge or a clay bar. Work your way from top to bottom. The bottom, the inside. Next, you want to mist the glass again. And then with a squeegee, put a good amount of pressure and overlap your strokes. Make sure not to leave any water behind. One edge to the other. Make sure you get the inside of that gasket and the very bottom. Clean off your panel again. Now you want to mist the window. Now you want to peel your liner back. And spray water as you're peeling back. Now towards the middle of the glass. Make sure your film folds toward you. Don't let the top edge touch the top of your window until your film is tucked in behind your gaskets. Once you've got that, you can go ahead and start lining up. I did leave this kit with a little overhang so we can shave and file the edges for a cleaner look. Otherwise, you would want to be lining up like this. You can test it like this. Make sure your film is not pulling back. You know you have too much overhang if your film does this. So once everything looks good, you want to go ahead and mist the film. Go ahead and squeegee all the water out. You're gonna work from the center outward, spread out that tension. Now with your triangle card, go ahead and run that along the inside, all the way through the bottom. Make sure there's no water left behind. Clean off the inside of your panel. Now again, with the same hard card, wrap your towel around it. And start running it across the top. Get all that excess moisture out so you don't have any dirt running down in that water that's left over. Work from the center to the left and then the center to the right. And then go all the way down. Go ahead and run that along the bottom. Pick up any of that excess moisture. Make sure not to close your door when it's in this position. You'll mess up your window trim. Go ahead and clean the outside of your glass. Look over, see if you have any excess moisture. So at this point, if you have one of our pre-cut kits with no overhang, you'll be able to just let the film rest. You can also take a heat gun on the outside of the film and you just heat up the edges, speed up the process. Otherwise, just let it sit for a little bit, let the water dry out. You can go over it again with your hard card and a towel wrapped over. So at this point, with your overhang, you want to take a very sharp carbon blade. You want to start at the bottom. Run your way to the top. I clean this up. So at this point, you're ready to just open the door. Your window will slide back down into position, then you're ready to close it. Remember, don't roll your windows down for at least 3 to 5 days after tinting it. Other than that, you've installed your first Vicrez pre-cut window tint kit on your Tesla Model Y.